Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to report your REALME 12x as a lost or stolen. Okay, so let's begin. So currently we are on the IMEI.info page. We're gonna be using this page to report our phone as lost. So in this bar right here we need to type our IMEI number and now click on this blue button, check IMEI. Okay, now we have the information about our phone. If you scroll down in here, you can find the basic information about your phone. If you click on the white button, you can read the full device specification. And if you click on IMEI.info, you'll find more information to read. Okay, but we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks. Those options are free, so you don't need to worry, you won't pay for that. So in here, you can find the lost device add option. So that's what we are interested in. Let's click on it, and now in here, under the IMEI, we need to type our IMEI, but by default it is already copied right in here. But below you can type the second one and also the serial number if you want. Okay, in the city you type the city, where was the incident. In here you type the email, now the phone number with the country code, also the price. What will it be when someone will find it? Let it be $40. Now also the country, and below the description. Describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. So the description should be as much precise as you are able to describe it. So I'm just gonna give you an example. Okay, so that's an example of the description. Also below you need to enter your contact name and when it was the incident date, and enter the date in the format with the first you type the year, then the month, and then the day. Okay, so once everything is done, under the agreements, you need to agree to both of these conditions. Simply select both of these small squares. And now click on this blue button and report lost/stolen IMEI. Okay, and now you need to log into your mail to confirm. Okay, now as you can see, we have the message from the IMEI.info. And now click on this blue button, verify your request. Okay, and that's all. We don't need to do anything more. As you can see, your report has been verified. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.